Hi guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I'm sat on a 2022 CF Moto 650 NK and I'm going to be showing you how to update the time on the bike. Now obviously to do this we need to have our ignition on and the screen loaded, and the time is actually shown on the top left hand corner whether you're in sport mode or indeed eco mode. So to do this we're going to use these buttons here. So we've got up, enter, return and down. So I'll just zoom into the screen. Now I'm going to hold in the enter button for a couple of seconds, which takes me into this menu here, and I'm going to scroll down to settings, click enter on settings and then go all the way down to time settings and then hit enter. And then we can see you can go from AM to PM and then we can change the time. So if you hit enter it will start flashing, and then you use the up and the down buttons to cycle between. So if I wanted to change it to PM, say, click enter again, scroll across. So if I want to put it to 10, go to 10, enter, and across, and then just go forward a minute, then hit enter. So then when we go back to the main screen, you'll actually notice it now says PM 10:55. So there we go, that's how easy it is to update the time on a 2022 CF Moto 650 NK. If you found this video helpful, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.